Hello everyone, good morning all of you. I am Nitish. So today I am going to present the presentation on reporting and documenting a specific small building in New Zealand. So directly we will dive into the importance and relevance of small buildings. We will explore various aspects such as functionality, sustainability, user needs, materials, and the impact time and cost implications on the design process. So the first topic is functionality and sustainability. It contains optimizing space, sustainable design, and passive housing. Optimizing space is small building design maximize functionality and efficient use of space, creating versatile and adaptable environments. The second one is exploring how sustainable practice, innovative materials, and energy efficient systems contribute to overall design of small buildings in New Zealand. And passive housing is it's a strategy to minimize energy consumption and environmental impact and enhance occupant comfort. Next one is user needs and design process. It contains user-centric design, iterative design process, and design challenges and solutions. In user-centric designs, we have needs, user needs and comfort are prioritized in small building design, ensuring space that are practical, aesthetical pleasing and promote well-being. The next one is iterative design process. It is the nature of the design process considering feedback and making adjustments to fulfill your user needs and achieve design excellence. The third one is design challenges and solutions. It's how overcome challenges such as limited space, budget, and compliance requirements shapes the design decisions and solutions. The next topic is design criteria and safety factors. It contains identifying design criteria, evaluating safety factors, and harmonizing design and safety. In first, identifying design criteria has which analyze the factors that influence the selection of design criteria, including local regulations, environmental consideration, and client requirements. And the next, evaluating safety factors, which tell about the safety such as assessing design loads, play a crucial role in ensuring structural integrity and of resilience of small buildings. The third one is harmonizing design safety. It is important of striking a balance between design, creativity, and safety considerations to achieve innovative yet structured sound small building designs. The next topic is analyzing key structural elements. It also contains three parts. First one is structural framework. It has different types of structural frameworks used in small building such as steel frames, reinforced concrete and timber structures. The second one is foundation systems. Examining the importance of selecting appropriate foundation system based on site conditions, load requirements and structural stability. Third one is building materials. It has the variety of building materials such as small building design considering factor, durability, aesthetics and environmental impact. So it tells about the key structure of elements. And in the last, I tell about conclusion, what we got from this presentation. Designing for the future, embracing innovation and celebrating creativity. It reflects on the significance of small building design in shaping sustainable communities and addressing the evolving needs of New Zealand construction industry. Second is embracing innovation, encouraging designers and industry professionals to stay abreast of emerging trends, technology, and best practices in small building design. Last is celebrating creativity. It recognizes the integral part of creativity and artistic expression in unlocking the potential for exceptional and small building designs that inspire, uplift, and function effectively. These are the references from which I got the data. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nitish. Okay. So, is there any questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Nitish, you answered the question.
Can you please tell about what are the New Zealand building codes?
New Zealand building codes. Yes, there are many building codes in New Zealand that applied when we make the building. Like first of all, we have to look about the people who are unable to walk, who are disabled people. So we have to make like stairs, ramps, and there are also fire alarms that are used in the buildings to make for safe for user needs. So these are the building codes that we applied on the buildings.
One question.
Yeah.
How do you think or earthquake design is utilized in small building?
Pardon?
How do you think small building is utilizing how to control the earthquake?
Because
What kind of design they are making?
because small buildings don't occupy much space. Also, they are making earthquake prone areas. Also, the land, first of all, they require the land which is suitable for the small buildings. So these are the concerns that we should take when we apply on the small buildings.
Nice.
Okay. Some more questions? Okay.
In New Zealand, we have small and large buildings. So, which building would you prefer?
I will prefer small buildings because it contains cheaper price, also energy efficiency, and suitable for the occupants who are from nuclear family. So these are the factors that I contain for smaller buildings.
So what are the advantages of small building and the disadvantages?
And, I already told you about the advantages of small buildings, like it's energy efficient and suitable for nuclear families. And disadvantage, I don't think so that it has many disadvantages of small buildings. So that's my answer.
Okay.
There is no disadvantage of small building.
Can you name a few, like one or two?
I don't think so that there are disadvantages.
It has a limited space.
Yeah, but I also told you that it is suitable for nuclear families.
Small buildings have less resources.
Huh?
Small buildings have less resources.
No, it depends upon person to person. If you want to apply more appliances in your small buildings, you can. It depends upon person.
So it is congested or not?
Yeah, it is.
So it is disadvantage or not?
For some people it has, but not for me.
Okay, nice point of view, brother.
Very good. Yes.
Thank you.
And Nitish, can you tell me some differences between a small building and large buildings for design? Some differences that people like the constructor need to consider about what are the differences like when they are going to design a small building
Yes, ma'am.
with a large building? What are the similarity for design and what are the differences?
Differences we can see, like in the small buildings, we don't have much sunlight as compared to the larger buildings. Also, in the larger buildings we get the more space as compared to the smaller buildings. So construction should be consider the space for the both of the buildings, and this is the main factor. That's why people differentiate between the small and bigger buildings.
What about the cost and time differences?
Yeah, it is also a major factor for this, because like in the smaller buildings, it is cheaper as compared to the larger buildings. But the cost we applied on the larger buildings, it has more. So both of the buildings have their own benefits and loss. So it depends upon person to person and their perception, which they want to choose according to their needs.
Yeah. And what about the safety? Is there any differences for the safety to design a small building?
No, I don't think so that safety we can apply on both buildings. Like we can also do same things in the small one and the large ones as well. Like if we face from the fire, so we can apply fire alarms in the both buildings. Also, if I talk about the stairs and ramps for the unable people who are unable to walk, so it can also apply in the both buildings.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Yep.
Good. Any other questions? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.